Hello everyone, my name is DJ Abian. In this presentation, I'll be discussing how digital technology is transforming operation in a mid-sized hotel, moving away from manual system. I'll also highlight key emerging technology shaping in hospitality workplace. Let's get started. Part A scenario, based analysis. Number 1, K-Tools technology. To move from manual processes to digital operation, the hotel can adopt the three essential technologies: a property management system or PMS, digital housekeeping management software, a cloud-based financial reporting system or efficiency improvements. Number 2, each of these tools improvement efficiency in different ways. Property management system. Instead of paper logbooks, the PMS automates reservation check-ins in the guest records. That reduces errors in the make front desk services faster and smoother. Housekeeping management software, real-time digital updates replace whiteboards, allowing staff to instantly see which rooms need cleaning or maintenance faster rooms turnover. Leads to increased availability and revenue. Cloud-based financial tools. The system automates financial calculations, the report creation reducing manual errors, and giving managed instant access to financial data. Number 3, a major challenge. During digital transformation, staff-resistant employees may feel stressed or uncertain about a new system. To address this, management can provide hands-on training session, appoint digital champions to support coworkers, and introduce the technology gradually to staff can adjust comfortably. Part B, Technology Trend Reflection Artificial Intelligence. First, what is AI? Artificial intelligence refers to technology that can simulate human thinking, such as learning from data or responding to a question in hospitality. AI helps streamline operation while improving guest satisfaction. Number 2, real-world example. One practical example is the use of hotel chatbot. A mid-sized hotel could integrate the chatbot into website to answer questions about room availability, management booking changes, or recommended nearby attraction available 24/7. Because it connects directly to the PMS, the information provided is always accurate and current. Number 3, impact hospitality job. Rather than replacing employees, AI will change how people work. Skills. Staff will need to understand AI tools, interpret data, focus on delivering personalized guest experience. Work processes. Repetitive tasks like answering common questions will be automated, allowed staff to focus more meaningful interaction. New roles positions such as AI hospitality management or guest experience, data analyze, and emerge, creating new career pathways. Outro. In conclusion, digital technology is refreshing the hospitality industry, enhancing operation, and creating new career opportunities. Thank you for watching.